Hi, I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and I'm going to show you how to make a Reuben sandwich. We've got our corned beef, we've got our Swiss cheese, we've got our rye bread. Instead of sauerkraut, we're going to be using Brussels sprouts that we're going to be making into a quick little slaw, which we have here. And to make this different, we're going to make it a grilled Reuben sandwich. So you heat up your pan. You butter up one side of your rye bread, just like you're going to make a grilled cheese sandwich. You're going to put your cheese in. I like to put the cheese against the bread first because that's where it's going to be hottest, so it will melt. We're going to take our corned beef and we're going to put it in here just so it warms up a little bit. I like a nice fat sandwich, so I'm going to put a lot of meat. Just get it warm a little bit. Take our other piece, bring it over, get all that meat in there. Now we're going to let that melt a little. After it's gotten a little bit hot, we're going to open it back up again and put in Brussels sprout coleslaw. It's going to make a real big difference. It tastes so fresh and so tasty. We want to get it in the middle because we want the cheese to melt. Turn it over, let that melt on that side. We want to keep flipping it back and forth so it melts evenly, so it toasts and browns evenly as well. Now we're going to put it on our plate. Now we're going to take some of our special Reuben dressing, which is a little bit of sweet pickle, a little bit of sour pickle, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of ketchup. That's going to go inside. That's our dressing. Cut that open, and there's our Reuben sandwich. And that's how to make a Reuben sandwich. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez for Demand Media. See you soon. Little kick from the vinegar. That is good.